Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Goldie Boxed, our winter Goldie Box. So let's get into it and check it out. Goldie Box is always a special box to me because it was done by our friend Jessica over at Everything Proof Beauty. She's a good friend and she decided that she didn't love the way all boxes were being handled, and so she started a box where we have our choices. Everybody has the choices. There aren't customization categories. She lists all of the products and then you can choose to be a bronze bear, a silver bear, or a gold bear. And based on which bear you choose, you will choose either 3, 5, or 7 of the products that she has listed. Not from any category, just all of them. Plus, on top of what you choose, there will be a bonus item. So if you're a bronze bear, you will have an extra bonus for that. If you are a silver bear, you get the silver bear and the bronze bear bonus. And if you are gold, you get all 3, the gold, the silver, and the bronze. I am a gold bear, so in theory, I have 7 products in here, plus my 3 bonuses. I have no idea what the bonuses are. I have not seen anybody unbox. And that is what my box looks like. And on top, we have our paperwork. It will tell us about all of the products, the ones we chose, the ones we could have chosen. And by the way, the bronze bear is $29.99 and that's 3 plus a bonus. $44.99 for the silver and that's 5 plus 2 bonuses. And then $59.99 for 7, and then you will have all 3 of the bonus products also. So this is a full box of choices that I made except for the bonuses, which I don't know what they are. First out at my choice, we have the, I have no idea. Oh, Palmoir Tahiti hand-poured soy wax candle. That is what that looks like. It is completely sealed, so we're gonna dig into it. We wanna know what Tahiti smells like. I know it's gonna make me wish it was summer. That's what I know. I don't. I do not wish it was summer. In the dead of winter, sometimes I think I wish it was summer, and then summer comes and I remember how hot I get. So maybe we can live through it with just a candle. Oh, it's pretty. I don't know that I realized how pretty it was going to be. It's a pretty blue, and then look at the top. That is gorgeous. Oh, that smells so good. It's very spa-like. My instant takeaway is, that is spa-like. Let's see what our paper says. A soy wax mini 2.3 ounce candle with beautiful gemstones. Oh, they're gemstones. I feel special now. It looks just as pretty as it smells. Burns clean, up to 10 hours. Yeah, that smells fantastic. That is very spa-like, and I have a blue bathroom, so this has a home. Oh, I remember this now. I do remember this now. I got both of them. For 2 of my choices, she allowed you, and this is not something you can always do. She allowed you, for 2 of your choices, to choose the 2 different scents of candles that she had. I remember now. And I remember her talking about these scents and saying, I can't decide which one. And it was like, well, you could pick both. They're so pretty that I was thinking as much decor as burning. And now that I've seen how pretty they are, I may have been right about that. I don't know that I will burn this as gorgeous as it is. Oh, this one is so pretty too. Oh, wow. That is lovely. Ginger squeeze. Is that ginger? I don't know what it is, but look how beautiful the top. I hope that is coming across how gorgeous those stones are. It smells amazing. What does the box say it smells like? It says it's called ginger squeeze. Top notes, bergamot, citrus, and lemon. See, that's what I'm saying. That's what I smell, not ginger. Middle notes of freesia, ginger, lily, and neroli, and the base is ambergris and myrtle and grass. I can't pick a favorite. I can't pick a favorite. Those are both fantastic, and I am so happy that we talked me into that because I love candles. And what's perfect with these is I probably won't burn them. It's got a nice light, soft cold throw, which means you can smell it. I suspect that if I put these in one of my little bathrooms without even burning it, you'll be able to smell it. So that'll be perfect. Okay, next out I have, what's this say? Arit and Athene Orange Dream Sugar Scrub. It looks like, you know what the tub looks like. It looks like Sol de Janeiro with vitamin C, but look, it's SEA. This is huge. This is huge. and very heavy. It is a sugar scrub with the light texture that smells like a dream. Orange creamsicle, keeping your skin smooth and smelling delightful. All right, well, that is a very subtle scent. It feels kind of like Play-Doh. It feels so awesome. Oh, that smells good. Yeah, once I get it on my skin, I can kind of smell it. It's just a really nice light. Yeah, I will for sure be trying that. I love that it feels kind of like Play-Doh. That is super fun. Just wiping it off that finger that I had stuck down in there, and it made that finger soft. It is so soft. Next out, I chose the bracelet. Jess put this on in one of her videos where she spoiled it, and it looks so cute on her. I was like, you know what? That has enough color. I always say I don't ever choose bracelets because I always wear my Fitbit, and I was like, that has enough color that it might stand up, yeah, to being with my Fitbit, just to give it a little more. I love the feel of it. It's nice and cool. The stones feel really heavy and nice. Who is this by? This is Zad Multicolor Tumbled Stone Bead Stretch Bracelet. Is a vibrant and versatile accessory. Each bead showcases the varying beauty of natural stones. They are 10 millimeters. And just for the record, all of her beauty products are cruelty-free. These are so pretty. It makes me want to stop for a second and just look at each individual stone because they're so gorgeous. I mean, can you guys see that blue? Look at that. It looks like a planet. It is so pretty. Look at that kind of greeny, slightly jaded looking one. They are very pretty. Going out to dinner in a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off because I know me. I know me. I will finish making videos just in time to leave, and I will walk about this house with this tag on this bracelet. Also, in a minute when I do my review and I don't show you the bracelet. Next out, we have maybe a cup. Let's see what we have. Ooh, yes, Minimalist. Santa Barbara Design Company bamboo fiber cup. Excellent. Bamboo fiber because eminently recyclable and just loves to do anything that is good for the environment. It looks like a coffee cup that you would get in a shop, but it's a bamboo fiber. Oh, look, the top part that covers where you sip. Can you guys tell? It's a heart. I was showing it to you upside down. It pokes right into the hole you drink out of, so it's very easy to seal. The top, as you can tell, is silicone. It is easy on and easy off. And that's just a nice bamboo fiber inside. It is the Santa Barbara Design Studios dishwasher safe, do not microwave. The paperwork on this says, a bamboo fiber, reusable coffee cup with simple design. The small heart touches add to the look. The cup is made from sustainable resources and is meant to minimize single-use coffee cup consumption. Okay, next out, I chose this. This is so cute. This is a upcycled bar cutting board. It is 6 by 8. This is another one. I watch her spoilers because she gives us all the good information. This is what it looks like. Look, it has, can you guys tell? I'll do it like this because I'm not sure. Can you tell it has little feet? How best to get you the feet? Black is hard to show. Hopefully somewhere that did it. It is constructed from post-industrial recycled materials made from non-porous and non-absorbent, durable, BPA-free plastic, silicone-footed grip, energy-efficient production. So I thought this would be fun to leave on the counter. Maybe not. I have become kind of minimal, but it will easily slide into a drawer that I keep right there at the counter. So when I just want to do an onion or something, it'll be perfect. It's a bar one. They want you to do your lemons and limes and kind of stuff on it, but we don't drink enough for that. Last of my choices, we have the Protect Our National Parks coloring book. I'm always picking up things for the littles, and I thought, you know, when I have the big girls and they're around and we have a little bit of downtime, this is something that they, or frankly I, oh, look how pretty this is, would love to do. These are just fun coloring pages. Like this is Dry Tortugas National Park. This is the Katmai Natural Park and Reserve. Mount Rainier National Forest. It looks like these probably, do they tear out? Yes. And then where it turns from the black to the white, you can tear them out. That is so fun. So I thought I and the big girls would love doing it. It actually looks like they've done this with watercolors. I wonder if that's possible because they're very thick pages. This creative coloring book welcomes visitors of all ages. Bring all 63 protected parks to life with colorful vision. Decorate the pages and fill in the unique terrain with almost any medium. The paper stock will hold colored pencils, crayons, markers, and watercolors beautifully. That is super cool. You know, a lot of things can't hold up to the watercolor, so it is really neat that this can. I knew we would love having this around. We are down to the bonus items. So if you were a bronze bear, you received in your box this really neat tray. I think it is metal. I love the look of that. Look how it's metal, almost looks enameled, but it's, I think, probably painted. That is really pretty. And you got this if you were a bronze, silver, or gold bear. This will be in your box. This is from Justina Blackney X Studio O. It has a $12.99 value. This catch-all tray features original artwork and copper-colored edges and bottom for a bit of shimmer. Use this trinket tray as a jewelry dish, coin tray, etc. It is 6.75 by 4.63 inches. It is really, really pretty. I mean, I love the look of that. I love the look of that. I'm thinking about introducing blue back here since we have gray now instead of purple. Let me know what you think. Okay, if you are a silver bear, you received that tray and you also received this, and it is called Single-Use Soap in Sea Salt. That is a tongue twister. I would like some single-use soap and sea salt, please. Not so much a tongue twister. I am just old enough that I like to have these in my purse. My grandmother used to keep them in her purse, and I like having them. When you open them up, well, actually, before you open them up, that is what they look like. Once you open them up, that is what they look like. And you can take them out, and look, it's just, you get your hand wet, you get this little wet, you rub, and you get all lathered up, soaped and cleaned. They are absolutely perfect when you're on the go, because sometimes soap dishes in places, you know, you don't want to get in there. This is from Studio O. It has a $5 value. Single-use soap sheet packs are a safe and convenient way to wash your hands when you're on the go. Simply use dry hands to take a soap sheet from the box, wet your hands and the soap, lather, and rinse. They're perfect for traveling, camping, sporting events, shopping, dining out, and more. If you are a gold bear, you receive the tray, the soap, and this, and it is a Glow on Fifth Lippy. That is what it looks like. It is an ultra moisturizing tinted lip balm that helps soothe and smooth dry lips in grapefruit. So glad I read that before. It has a $22 value. I will not even open this so that I can pass it along, because you guys know grapefruit, or if you're new to the channel, you don't, now you are learning, grapefruit is no-no for me. Grapefruit and licorice, which I know, two weird things. I mean, there are other things, but those are the two most weird things we're gonna come across. Okay, that is my Goldie Boxed. I already take the bracelet off. Okay, let's see if I can lift it without dropping everything. So this is my 7 choices, plus the 3 bonus items that you get based on whether you're a, oh boy, it's going great. Based on whether you're a bronze, silver, or gold. My value, because I'm the one that chose the products, is $109 just in my picks, and then another $40 with my bonus items added on. So $149 is the value of my box, which is double what it costs. So I think that's fantastic. Let me know below what you guys think. I will put all of the information down below along with my code Catherine10, and that will get you 10% off your first box. I believe she still has the winter box available, so you can go over and check out all of these products. If you have any questions, let me know below. I will find the answer out for you if I don't have it. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope you are having a great, nope, we're past New Year. Happy Valentine's Day. That's what we're gonna do until it's over. Happy Valentine's Day. Again, thanks so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye.